Oh, hello there. It has been a long time. I just wanted to say a quick hello and have some popcorn. Please join me.
Oh, hello there. Well, it's been a while since we've said hello. This is, of course, Sal Hennig. I have the Cooking with Sal program that you've probably seen a few episodes of, and it's been a while since we've said hello. Well, this isn't really much cooking, but I was going to fix a little popcorn. Well, it's a Tuesday night, and I've had a day, and now I want to relax a little bit. Well, what better way to relax than with some of that good Orville Redenbacher's popcorn? I got out the popper. Yes, I bought a popper right around Black Friday from the Target. Oh, they had what they called a doorbuster sale. We're going to use some golden soft margarine. And what I'm going to do is just go ahead and talk to you a little bit while I fix some popcorn. So you take the Orville Redenbacher and you take off the lid. Just like that. You see how it spins around when it comes off? Have you ever heard lefty loosey, righty tighty? You pour it right in here now, this little lid here. We got to be careful. It's hard when you're doing this with one hand. I always tell you, now, I don't recommend you try to hold a phone while you're doing this, but you just pour it in, getting it all right where you want it to be here. And we may have filled it a little too full if there is such a thing, but I'll just go ahead and take the rest here that kind of missed. Some of those little kernels are hard to pick up. Oh, I bought these bowls also there at the Target. Kind of got rid of some of my old cookware and bought some new. Here we go, right in. Do you hear it? I love the way that sounds. And if there's a little plastic hanging off, you just pull it off. Okay. You put the lid back on if yours has such a thing. I used to think that that's where you put the butter to heat it up, and it did work, but it really kind of ruined the topper. So that's not what it's for. We're going to make the butter right here in this saucepan. So you take the lid off the margarine, and again, I told you last time when I was making some minute rice with that good steak. Well, that was a few months ago, but I told you then that I don't know how I ended up with light golden soft margarine. It's hard to find margarine that's not light these days. Oh boy. Well, it doesn't take away from it too much. I take a fork, or you could use a knife if you have one, or any number of other things, a spoon maybe, and you just scoop a bit of it, and you pop it right in the kettle, right in the saucepan. How have you been anyway, huh? Did you have a good holidays, a good Christmas? I told you it was Black Friday when I bought this. Oh, you can't have too much butter, too much margarine, I don't think. And then we just turn it on. Yes, it's the one in the back, so the rear. Oh, I don't know. Put it on about 7. You're going to have a hard time hearing me probably, but you know that's what happens when you turn the popper on. First we need to plug it in. So you just plug it in up here. It shouldn't be too difficult, I guess. You can just find the right spot and try to push it real good. Oh, that didn't work so well. Oh boy. Oh boy, that's a real tight fit there. There we go. We'll get it in this one now. Okay. Oh, yes. No problem. Oh, look at the smoke come off there. That means the burner's getting clean. Okay. So you turn it on. This little button over here on the side. And get my fingers out of the way for you. See? And right now it's off. Now it'll be on. Now it's going to make a noise. Just a minute. Now, I always put a little bowl in because some of the kernels will pop in. Get a little excited, a little too early. Oh, how are we coming here? Did you have a good Christmas? Oh, Titan and I had a nice time. Yeah. That one didn't pop. That's okay. Yep. A few of them won't pop, but we'll get enough. Don't worry. That's just how it is. Some of them are cowards. Some of them get out a little bit, go a little AWOL. Yes. And then we can put the lid back on our margarine. Oh boy. Well, we had a nice, quiet Christmas. We haven't really done any programs for a while. Oh, there's little Titan over here now. Hi, Titan. Is that your Christmas toy? You got a mouse, didn't you, honey? Uh-huh. Yeah. Here's our wrestling. Whoa, body slam. Oh, boy. Oh, and the Pepsi. And there's Grandma, cooking with Grandma. And we just put the margarine back in the refrigerator. Oh, our fridge is getting a little bare. That's okay. Oh, boy. Whoa, we've already boiled that up. That's all done. That got done before the popcorn did. And we'll get that out of the way now. Oh, boy. Isn't that fun to watch? Look at it go up there. That didn't take long at all. Whoa! Oh boy. Didn't it, huh? Oh boy. Whoa boy. Whoa! Ooh, always wear eyewear if you do popcorn. Okay, is there more in there? Oh, there's one more. Yes, you're a coward. You didn't pop? Oh boy, we made enough, I think. Last time I made this, just the other day, I made some popcorn. I made about 3 bowls worth. Now, look at this butter. This is the fun part now. We have to take this butter. We're going to move the copper back. I'm going to turn it off too. I unplugged it. Okay. Now, the hard part with this butter is to try to get it kind of evenly dispersed. And it won't be perfect. It tends to go all in one spot if you're not careful. Oh boy. Ooh, you see that though? Oh boy, I think we better pop a little more popcorn. Maybe it's so much better. Oh boy. Oh, well, that's about right. I made it this far. Oh boy, that'll be good though. Okay, and then we just go ahead right away and get a little water in the saucepan here. Yeah, it's been a while since I did any cooking. I did ordered a pizza or had some fast food, went out to the restaurants. Yeah, you know. I told you before that if you can get somebody else to do the cooking for you, well, that's best. Yeah. Alright, and then what I do is I take this little bowl. Oh, it's just me, but, you know, no sense eating out of a big bowl if you have a small one. Oh, boy. Now, so far only a couple kernels. We'll just go ahead and put our hands in it. Always wash your hands nice. Even if you're eating by yourself, it's good to practice. Okay. And we just go right down into there. Yes, and just put it right into this bowl here. Oh, doesn't that look nice? I bet you're probably getting a little hungry for some of that popcorn, aren't you? Oh boy, look at the butter. Whoa. Alright. Well, I don't know. We just had a little popcorn here. We'll go ahead and eat it. That is good. Couple more pieces here. Ooh. So moist and nice. Oh boy. What is up here anyway? Oh, some garlic salt. Would you ever put a little garlic salt on your popcorn, do you think? I don't know. Why not? A little salt too? That never hurt anybody. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh yes. Well, I don't know. Well, this year should we do another cooking program or two? I've gotten a lot of great feedback on our programs. There aren't too many different things I cook though. Okay. Well, I just wanted to take a minute to say hello. Okay. Oh, yes. Well, he wishes you a happy new year. Okay. Well, thank you again for watching and always subscribing to the Cooking with Sal program. And if you haven't watched some of our earlier episodes, well, we made bacon. We made that real good pastaroni that everybody likes. And we made that good sirloin steak with minute rice. And always have a paper towel or wash rag. You don't want to use your jeans or your trousers. Okay, well, that's all for now, I think, but I just wanted to say hello, and again, hope you're having a nice 2018 New Year. Bye for now.
Oh boy, I sure hope you've kept your New Year's resolutions. Oh, it was so nice catching up with you.